Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Anne, and today I have had the good fortune to be able to secure the Trendmood box for February 2021. For those of you that are not familiar with the Trendmood box, in order to get it, it's not a monthly subscription like a BoxyCharm or an Ipsy. In order to get a Trendmood box, you sign up in advance on their website, and then the day that the box is released, they will send you an access code. And at the appointed time, you log on to the website, and if you are fortunate enough, you can purchase a Trendmood box. This month is the 10th Trendmood box. For me, it is my second Trendmood box. So thank you for coming along on my Trendmood journey. I paid $48.17 for this box, and based on my calculations, I was given a value of $250 worth of products. Their shipping was super fast this month. I ordered this box on a Tuesday morning, February 2nd, I believe, and it was on my doorstep the following afternoon. So this box came with quite a variety of products. It also came with a little bit of controversy. So let's start with the proverbial elephant in the room. I'm trying to get these up here so they can be seen without too much glare. From OGX, we were given full-size shampoo, conditioner, and Miracle Smoothing Gloss Spray. Keratin Smoothing Oil Shampoo. Behold the shampoo that does it all. This multi-benefited blend is infused with keratin products, argan oil, and ceramicide. It helps to strengthen and smooth strands to reveal shiny, frizz-free hair. Let this multitasker do the work and discover your healthiest looking strands yet. Sounds good to me. And to be honest, I have been using a variety of the OGX products for quite some time. I've never had a problem. And here's where we hit the controversy. About a week or two before the box was released, I noticed on Instagram, everything blew up. People were yapping right and left because apparently OGX has been involved in some litigation. So I did a little internet research. I know people don't like to be read to. I'm going to read this just to be sure that I'm giving you the correct information of what I found when I looked on the internet. On Instagram, everyone was screaming right and left that the OGX products were causing hair thinning and hair loss due to something contained in the ingredients called Dmdm. So I did a little looking around. Now, online, I did see that in 2013, the maker of Organics Shampoo, this maker, agreed to a $6.5 million class action settlement over claims that it falsely labeled its product as organic. Online, I also saw statements about many shampoos, and pay attention on that one, many shampoos, not just OGX, many shampoos with salt, silicone, and sulfates as being bad for your hair. In response on Instagram, Trendmood made a comment to many of the people's comments and questions. Trendmood stated that they had checked with OGX and that it was safe and it did not contain Dmdm. So then I started getting curious. What the heck is Dmdm? So, with a little more internet research, I got a quick lesson in chemistry. Been a while since I've been in chemistry class. And again, I'm sorry I'm reading to you. I just want to be sure that I'm telling the facts correctly as I saw them on the internet. Dmdm Hydantin is an odorless white crystalline substance that works as an antimicrobial agent and as a preservative in many cosmetics and in many personal care products. It is considered safe, but you could develop an allergy over time. I did not find anything else on the internet to indicate that OGX currently has any problems. And when I read the itty bitty little ingredients list, I did not see anything that indicated the Dmdm product or ingredient. I did find in a legal action against Tresemme in January 15th, 2021, the claimants are stating that Dmdm is a preservative known to release formaldehyde, a known carcinogen, and it can cause or contribute to hair loss or scalp irritation. So, what can we take from all of this? It appears that OGX has removed whatever product, the Dmdm or the salt, silicone sulfates, that it's removed whatever people were concerned about, and I'm certainly willing to give this version a try. The Keratin Smoothing Oil Shampoo, Conditioner, and what were you? Smoothing Oil. OGX stated that this current item they included in the Trendmood box is a remix of their Keratin oil collection. And each product, when I looked up prices online, seems to cost about $8. So all three of these together is about $24, $25. Okay, enough with the drama. Let's get on to some more fun stuff. But I did want you to feel informed because I wanted to feel informed. Next up, and hopefully I can do this without blinding everybody. From KVD Beauty, we have the Dazzle Stick. I got mine in the shade Hail Surge. The Dazzle Stick is a long-wearing eyeshadow. I just wanted to go on record and say that when I purchased this box and recorded my full video, I was not aware of the actions of Patrick Starr during our current pandemic. I do not agree with those actions. We have 3 products from One Size Beauty. A primer, and then we have 2 setting powders. This is the card that came. They are excited to present their new Secure the Blur Makeup Magnet Primer. And their travel-sized Ultimate Blurring Setting Powders. It looks like the primer has a retail of $30 and the setting powders have a $16 each retail value. Next up, we have a serum. It not only corrects all 5 signs of aging, it also strengthens your skin's immunity to prevent and protect your skin from the stressors that cause skin aging. I don't really smell much of an odor, which I appreciate. I'm not wild about things with heavy odors to them. It has a retail value of $90. They included 2 products from Danessa Myricks Beauty. These are from the Twin Flames collection. This is a multi-chrome highlight liquid shadow. Could also be used on the lips, according to the box. And when I looked it up online, there are 15 different shades. I am tickled pink with the ones that I got. They seem to have a value of $26 each. Today I mixed one of their products in with a little bit of my eyeshadow. The product I used was called Passion. We also got Young Love. That's Passion. Oh well, that's gonna show. There we go. That's Passion. This for me was definitely the highlight of the box. So that is everything from today's Trendmood box. Again, I paid $47 and change, and when I added everything up, my retail value was $250. So I think I'm definitely going to get my money's worth. Thank you for joining me on today's adventure. Please leave a comment down below as to what you thought of this month's Trendmood box, and I hope to see you again soon on my next video. Bye.